Alright, for today's video, pag-usapan natin paano naman yung pag nag-withhold tayo from our vendors because it's required by law to withhold. Like for example, we are renting from them, so there's really a need for us to withhold. And I'm showing you, this is my worksheet monitoring how much yung withholding ko for the year. So it's already July, yung month for reporting. Today's, of course, August, kasi ang due date nito is on August 10th of the following month. Normally, ang deadline for filing and payment. So, I have here yung tin nila, regular suppliers, yung pangalan ng supplier. Tapos, I have to identify whether it's vatable or not vatable. Kasi, that would be the basis. Ano ba yung base? That would be the basis kung ano yung, saan ako magbe-base ng amount. Diba, normally they bill, and then I have to remove first the VAT portion. Doon ako sa non-VAT mag-withhold. So, sa case na to, okay, you may say, ba't kwaki yung figure? Because sa escalation to, and this is what they had provided to us. So we'll just use whatever in the billing. And then I have to withhold 5%. So ito na-compute ko siya. So for July, I have to withhold this amount, 3325.83. And this amount, normally before I do any tax filing, I have to ensure na kung ano itong nasa working paper ko, of course, ito yung una kong gagawin, it should tie up with my books. So, eto siya. I have my dedicated account title for that, 3325.83, para hindi magulo. Because I'm also paying 2306. I'm using rather tax form 2306 for royalties. So, ganun siya. Dapat paghiwalayin per tax form. Okay? So, 3325.83. So, I now go to offline. And then, I have to locate here. Okay, ito yung E. Right? Tapos, looks like na-open ko to eh. So, let's edit this one. View. I've not done anything yet here though. Yan, for the month of July, due date 8/10, amended return, no. Taxes withheld, yes. If you will create a new one, this is auto-populated. Nakalagay na siya. WE means withholding expanded. So, magkano yung amount? Okay, magkano yung i-remit namin? It's 3325.83. And then, you just have to save. Okay. And then, validate. Okay. So, before I click the print, ang ginagawa ko, well, there are two ways. But I do this one eh. I screenshot. Kasi it's very important that you need to have a copy of this one. Kasi hahanapin ni BIR sa inyo yan. Nag-file ba kayo? Okay. Oo, asan ang proof? Okay, ipapakita nyo rin ano yung final nyo. So, sinisave ko siya sa Word. Okay. And then, that's the time I click Submit Final Copy. Alright. Kasi syempre, I wouldn't know how long they will give to me the notification. Pero, we still have to wait for the notification being sent to your nominated email address, ha? So, that's very important. And then, once you're good to go, halimbawa, we still have time to pay ngayon. Pero, huwag yun ang papaabutin ng, kasi 10 is Saturday. So, mas maganda siguro you pay on the 9th. Or on the 8th rather. Kasi di ba baka may ano pa yan, waiting time pa para makredit sa BIR. I really don't know if 12 is pwede kasi 10 is a weekend, not a business day. So, good din to ask. But in our case, we pay off earlier para kung magkaroon ng glitches, we would know. Ayun ho. So, I hope this helps. See you in my next video.